Whether you're exploring the urban wilderness or venturing to lands untamed, the rugged Acer Enduro Urban Tablet boasts the durability and specs necessary to get the most out of whatever journey you're a part of. Whether you're a keen adventurer, building manager, or have a family that is always on the go, the device packs the hardware that can keep up with all your outdoor exploring. Hi, I'm John, and today we are looking at the Acer Enduro Urban Tablet. Through this review, we will go over the key features and elements of this eye-catching urban-style tablet. Whether you're out in the field or on a construction site, the Enduro tablet has you covered. The Enduro tablet has been constructed using shock-absorbing materials and has been engineered to withstand the rigors of your daily activities. Rain, hail or shine, the tablet can handle it all. Featuring a waterproof design for its ports, speakers and buttons, each of the four corners are also bolstered with reinforced bumpers, all while weighing a feather-light 627 grams and measuring a slender 9.8 millimeters thin. Wherever you may be, darkness, shade or in the blistering sun, this tablet's 10-inch display features 450 nits of brightness, letting you enjoy all of your content in any outdoor Australian environment. With a cleaner, tougher display, you can ensure the screen will withstand whatever situations or objects you throw at it. It is equipped with an antimicrobial Corning Gorilla Glass, which features an ionic silver component that serves as an antimicrobial agent to help keep the glass clean throughout the lifetime of the device. In today's landscape, learning doesn't always happen in a classroom. In fact, learning can happen outside in nature. With dual-band Wi-Fi, a 2-megapixel front-facing camera, and a 5-megapixel rear camera, you can make use of the extra connectivity and communication possibilities to better enhance all your child's outdoor learning experiences. What's impressive is that you'll be able to experience powerful performance under any situation. Utilizing Android 10 as well as a quad-core processor, you can kick back and enjoy up to 8 hours video playback in one charge. If you are looking for a tough, durable tablet that can accompany you on-site or with a family out in any harsh Australian environments, the Enduro series is the tablet you need. If you have any questions about the Enduro T1 series, please reach out to us via the details in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. This is John with the review of the Enduro T1 tablet.